can hear it off bay. It's pretty early in the morning, so I'm going to talk softly. And everything's all fogged in. I stock our boats in the morning. So I make sure that our whole fleet of vessels. Ooh, that guy scared me. He woke everybody up. And the Sea Pride just came out of the fog. So a lot of commercial fishermen live here. And they're excellent boat handlers. Oh, that's nice. I don't know if you heard what they said. They go, that's the prettiest thing you've seen all morning. I should have said, that's the only thing you've seen all morning. Anyways. So yeah, the Ice Bear's been here for quite a while. Looks like there's a second bigger yacht behind it. I can't see what it is yet. A landing craft, which they're pretty popular in Alaska. And I'm looking for a particular boat, but I don't see it at the moment. So hopefully I'll find it soon. There's an eagle flying over in the fog. I like harbors. Anyways, I thought I'd give you a glimpse. So the boats like the Navigator are the ones I'm working on. Aha. Here's the boat I was looking for up here. So this is one of our fleet. We've got 7. My boss designed them. They're $335,000 a piece. There's a Sounder. That's another one of our fleet. Nordic tugs are my favorite. They're super expensive, but they're awesome. Even something small and simple like this with a little cutting cabin would be big enough for me to live on. Here's the Liberty, U.S. Coast Guard Liberty. Hope you have a good morning.